Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to download the Wikiloc application. Now guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to the App Store or go to the Google Play Store, whichever phone you have. Then when you're here, the first thing that you need to do is go to the search bar, and in the search bar, as you can see, where you have games, apps, stories and more, there you need to go and type Wikiloc. So basically WYKY and then loc, LOC, type that. And here you will have a lot of applications, but the one that we want is the first one, as you can see, Wikiloc Outdoor Navigation GPS. So I at the moment have it downloaded, but as you can see guys, we have the rating, which is 4.8. We have the age, which is a 4+. We have the chart and everything guys here. So basically we have the developer, the language and all the information, so you can see what's new. You see the bug fixes and everything. You can go and guys get the subscription where you can get the premium for 10 euros, as you can see, or 9.99. And here you can see some reviews of the application. So basically you can see the ratings and reviews. You can go and rate it by yourself if you of course like it or do not like it, of course. So basically you have the top comments here, the privacy and everything about the application in one place. Here you can see the size, the category and everything of the application. But now if you want to download it, the download button will be here on the where my open button is. I have it at the moment. So basically that's where you can find it. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.